My name is Bob Roncker. I was asked to come to give an idea of how to start up a running program. I've been personally running for over 48 years, and I have the running spot over in O'Brienville. We've been there for over 25 years, and I've been involved with coaching on the club, high school and college level, and I'd like to be happy to share with what I could here at the library in Covington regarding how to start up a running program. A number of times people are hesitant to start up an exercise program of walking or running because they just look around and they see all these other people who seem to be going much faster, much further than they possibly could. And I would hope that you wouldn't allow this to prevent you, because the sports of running and walking are very, they're just not intimidating in the sense that you'll see people maybe much more experienced than you, but it's a very, very empathetic group that everybody experiences the same sort of thing. Some are going faster, some are going further than others, and I would hope that this doesn't prevent you from getting started. When starting up a running program, it's always good, first of all, to make sure that you've got the go-ahead by your family physician, because there is a little bit extra stress in exercising and running. Assuming that everything is good and you've got the go-ahead here, then some of the considerations would be, do I have the proper equipment? Basically, it's a very simple sport. You want to make sure that you have a good fitting pair of shoes, the clothing, socks, and a little else. It's got to be one of the easiest sports to get started with equipment-wise. I would give these suggestions to people starting up with a program. Number one, think in terms of time, not mileage initially. Go out, spend, say you're going to go out for 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes. Do that rather than saying I'm going to go out for a mile, 2 miles, 3 miles, whatever you think you can handle. The reason being, you don't want each time to turn into a race. If I finished and I went a mile in one day in 11 minutes, 10 seconds, the thought may be, okay, the next time I'm going to try to break 11 minutes. And you don't want that. You just want to go out, let your condition improve. And believe me, it will. It'll improve quicker than you would think. Think of time. Don't be concerned with interspersing walk breaks with the run. This can be very helpful. And then I like what I would call, and people say, employing the talk test. That if it's always a good idea, and it's a helpful idea, if you can be doing this with a friend. And if you're with another individual, you should be able to carry on a conversation. And if you're not able to do this, regardless of whatever pace you're running, you're sprinting.